Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a Badoo account. But first of all, remember one thing. You can do this process on both your PC and your mobile device. And by mobile device, I mean you can do it in both your Android device and your iOS device. So if you are going to do it in your mobile device, first of all, download the app, and after the app is downloaded, open it. And then you have three options to sign up. First of all, you can sign up using an email. Second, you can sign up with Apple. And third, you can sign up with Facebook. But for this video, I'll sign up using an email. So first of all, select your gender. Then type in your name. After typing in your name, tap continue. Now choose your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, tap continue. And now type in your email. Or if you don't want to use your email, you could also sign up using your phone number. But for now, I'll use my email. After entering your email address, tap continue. And now you'll have to upload a photo. After uploading your photo, tap continue. And now you'll have to set a password for your Badoo account. And now finally tap let's go. Then tap I accept. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Badoo account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.